Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can complete the gossip quest from the collector in Heartopia. It says take photos at scenic locations. So the first scenic location I'm at is here near the pandas, like in this treehouse, I guess. You're just going to go like up the bridge here. I think I went from like here actually. You're going to go up the bridge and you're going to go to this area. And what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to take a picture. And that is your first location. Next, you are going to basically go to the lighthouse. The lighthouse is right here, and you're just going to face this way to the ocean, and you're just going to take a picture of the scenery. And that is the next one. Next, you are going to go to the Amethyst Beach and go to the furthest like area where there's like chairs, I guess. And here is where you're going to want to take your next picture. There we go. And we have one more. Last but not least, we are going to go to this area near the, well, in the old sea, I guess. And you're just going to drive here until you've reached this area, and you are going to take your last picture here like so, and you should be done. And that is it for this video. Just find the collector once you're done. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!